Hi, this is Mrs. Oakley, and today we're going to look at Unit 8, Lesson 9. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to simplify expressions. All right. Now, to simplify expressions, an algebraic expression is in its simplest form when it has a couple things. First off, it has no like terms. And when there's no parentheses. Okay, and how do we do this? Well, we've learned two ways. First off, we've learned by combining like terms, and we've learned to use the distributive property. Okay, so these are the two ways. So we're going to practice that in this lesson. All right, so to simplify expressions, we got to make sure that we're getting rid of everything. Now, we can't combine like terms until we do the distributive property. So let me show you how this works. So first off, I'm going to do distributive property with this first half of the expression. So 5 times x is 5x. So remember, there's that 1 in front of the x. And then 5 times 4 is 20. Now I'm going to keep the 9 because I can't multiply 5 times the 9 because it's outside of that parenthesis. Now I can combine like terms. There's no other x's, so 5x stays the same. Plus, well, 20 plus 9 is 29. Now it's its simplest form. All right, so again, let's start with this. 9 times 2 is 18 plus 9 times 1k is 9k. Now, 7 plus has to come down. So 7, now remember, a lot of you are thinking, well, why don't you just do 7 times 9 or 7 plus 9 first and then multiply it by all that? Because if you remember with the order of operations, multiplication comes before addition. So now I'm ready. 7 plus 18 is 25 plus 9k. All right, moving on. Let's practice these two together. Okay, so we're going to multiply first. 4 times 1w is 4w plus 4 times 9 is 36. And we have minus w. 4w minus, remember that's a 1w, is 3w plus 36. Great job. Here we go. 2 times 1a is 2a, minus 2 times 7 is 14. Let's bring the 8a and the plus down. So we have 8a plus 2a is 10a minus 14. Okay, now I want you to try these two problems yourself, so go ahead and pause the video, then come back and see if you got the answers correct. Okay, for this first one, you should have said 9 times 3 is, oop, my pen didn't want to work. 9 times 3 is 27c, minus 9 times 4 is 30. My pen is not working. 36 plus 2c. We can combine 27c plus 2c to get 29c minus 36. All right, for this one, we can say 6 times 1 is 6 plus 6 times 2 is 12n minus 5. Well, 6 minus 5 is 1 plus 12n. All right, great job. You are done with Unit 8, Lesson 9. Go ahead and head back to class craft and continue on your pathways. And I'll see you back here for Lesson 10.